What if I told you you could create a full YouTube channel without ever recording a single video, hiring anyone, or spending years learning skills? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the truth. AI is making this possible today, and the clock is ticking. Every second you wait, someone else is taking your future audience and your potential income. Stick with me because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a simple script into a fully automated video and why this could be your fastest path to earning online. Oh, and yes, you don't need any skill. Don't blink because missing this could cost you big. Also, if you think AI is going to take over the world, don't worry. It's just taking your side hustle first. Let's face it, making money online is harder than it looks. YouTube used to reward creators who spent hours recording, editing, and learning complicated tools. But guess what? That era is fading fast. Here's the harsh truth. If you're still doing everything manually, you're competing with AI-driven channels that never sleep, never get tired, and crank out content at lightning speed. And that's where most people give up, feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, and stuck in the same old 9-to-5 grind. But here's the exciting part. AI doesn't get tired. AI doesn't ask for a coffee break. And I can take a simple script and turn it into a professional video in minutes. Imagine, you write a 500-word script while eating your breakfast. And by the time you're done, your first video is already ready to publish. And that's not even the best part. Because next, I'm going to show you the exact tools that do the heavy lifting without you lifting a finger. Step 1. The script. This is the heartbeat of your video. AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can write scripts in minutes, tailored to your niche, your audience, even your tone. Want it funny, serious, or mysterious? Done. Step 2. Visuals. Tools like Pictory, Runway, or Synthesia can transform your script into a professional video. Just copy-paste your text, pick a style, and voila. Your AI avatar is speaking your words, your scenes are automated, and your visuals are ready. Step 3. Voiceover. No microphone? No problem. AI voices sound almost human now. They can deliver emotion, excitement, even humor, without you ever speaking. Step 4. Editing. Tools like Descript or CapCut can clean up, add captions, even add AI-generated music. You don't touch a timeline. AI does it all. Pattern interrupt. Yes, your future self is probably screaming, "Where was this 5 years ago?" And here's the kicker. When you put all these steps together, you've created a system that can produce multiple videos a week, automatically. And each video is a potential money-making machine. But here's the question. How do you actually make these videos earn money? Because a video without views is like a car without fuel. And in the next section, I'm revealing the secrets that most AI creators don't tell you. Here's the part most people miss. You've automated your videos, but now you need views, and the algorithm is ruthless. Step 1. Niches that pay. AI works best for faceless channels with high RPM content. Think finance tips, tech hacks, life hacks, AI tutorials. Pick a niche where ads pay well and where people are hungry for information. Step 2. SEO and titles. AI can generate optimized titles, descriptions, and tags. This isn't guessing. It's data-driven. And yes, AI can even write engaging thumbnails that click. Step 3. Consistency. The real power of automation is frequency. You can schedule multiple videos per week without lifting a finger. And here's a scary truth. If you don't, your competitors will. Pattern interrupt. And yes, you could still try the old way. But if you love wasting time, I hear it's very relaxing. Not. And here's the final cliffhanger. The smartest AI creators are already combining multiple revenue streams. Ads, affiliate links, digital products, all automated. By the end of this year, some are making thousands per month without recording a single video. Are you going to be one of them? Or are you going to let this opportunity pass? So here's the bottom line. AI can take you from script to video faster than ever. You don't need skill, you don't need a camera, and you don't need luck. You just need action. Start today. Automate your content, dominate your niche, and let AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on growth and scaling. Because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you. And if you're still thinking, AI can't do everything, well, it just did. Hit that like button if you want more AI money-making secrets and subscribe before your competition does.